Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on integrating SellerActive with Deliverr. This is a painless process that begins on Deliverr's platform when you are signing up with them for the first time. If you already have an account with Deliverr, you will need to contact their support team to have the previous integration moved to SellerActive's platform. The first step after entering in your business information during Deliverr's Get Started sign-up is to pick SellerActive as the listing tool option, and then click Create a Free Account. Second, enter in your SellerActive API credentials, which can be found back in your SellerActive account. Navigate to the toolbar on your left and click on your account email. This will display a few options pertaining to your account, so click on Store Profile. Simply copy your seller ID and API key out of SellerActive and return to Deliverr, where you will paste this information into their respective fields. Lastly, click Connect SellerActive, and Deliverr will begin importing your SellerActive catalog into their system. Your account is now integrated with SellerActive.